In August 2023 we completed the Camino Primitivo from Oviedo to Santiago de Compostela. It was very exciting, but the icing on the cake was finally monetizing our YouTube channel. Are you curious to know how much YouTube paid us in the first month of monetization? Find out in this video. Before showing you the numbers, let us talk briefly about ourselves. We are two Italian walkers. Almost all of our videos have English subtitles, but we hope that the development of AI apps will soon allow us to dub them into other languages. In 2023, our first walk in Spain. But we have over 20 under our belt in our beautiful Italy. Walks of all types. Religious like the way of Saint Francis. Or more secular, in search of art and culture. Our backpack never lacks a drone to give you spectacular images. We are also two kayakers both at sea and on rivers. Finally, we like to review our own gear, mainly kayaks, shoes, and backpacks. Okay, this is us. Now let's get to the numbers. Here we are at YouTube Analytics. We have selected the first month of monetization, August 2023. We were actually monetized on July 31st, but chose not to consider it. Our channel is highly seasonal and normally August is the month in which we have the most total views. In August we were traveling in Spain, and as you can see we published lots of videos and shorts. And now, drum roll, here's how much we earned in the first month. Let's go by categories. No super thanks. To date we have only received one, in January. 22 € from the shorts, then I'll show you how many total views. As you can see, most of them are all Camino de Santiago themed shorts. Finally 24.20 € from advertising regular videos. For a total of 24.42 €. These are the channel statistics for that month: total views, hours viewed, new subscribers and revenue. As I already said, our channel is highly seasonal and slowed down after the summer. If you want to help us by subscribing and watching some videos, we will be infinitely grateful. In this screen you can see the August 2023 RPM, here at the bottom right. On the left the income for the following months, from September 2023 to the beginning of February 2024. In summary, for 14,100 views of normal videos, we received 24.20 € and 22 cents for 8,000 views of the shorts. Our best performing video is the one that talks about how to choose an inflatable kayak. We leave you a description below. The completely English version of the video. Check it out if you like. Our RPM continued to drop until January. Now thank goodness it is on the rise. 14.3 € for 5,913 views, equal to an RPM of 2.42. The performance of the last 90 days instead was equal to 41.51 € for 18,766 views of normal videos, with an average RPM of 2.21. Our niche should be a mix of travel, sports and outdoor activities, and our CPM and RPM are influenced by having an audience that is 85% Italian and the remaining 15% European and North American. Thank you for following us this far. We hope we have been useful to you and that this video was interesting. We would be happy if you continued to follow us. Happy walking and happy paddling!